What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. We are doing a review of the iFlight FPV backpack. Before we get into this, I want to tell you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, comment, everything below. Got a lot of good stuff coming. But definitely, first thing I want to talk about is the durability on this thing. Rode with this thing on my motorcycle. I have an FZ09. Thing is pretty fast. Rode all the way to Connecticut. I live in New Jersey. Quick little thing. Alright, so people were all laughing at me. How are you gonna ride with this big old backpack? Whatever. The thing fits perfectly and like it handles beautifully. It almost feels like a passenger's on the back. What's even crazier is I didn't have two quads on it. I had just the Green Hornet here, like the little Cheveux. Probably going, I do not condone this by the way, going speeds over 100 miles an hour, and this thing did not budge, didn't move, especially when it's connected to these little clips. Crazy. There and back, no problems. It's the craziest backpack. I cannot express it anymore. Definitely tune in more for more details when I open the bag up and show you guys what's really inside. Alright, first thing we're gonna talk about is the straps. Really easy and accessible. Just grab it, pop out, just like that. And for each one, obviously. And really isn't too much to take off, you feel me? Alright. First things first. Open this thing out. Move this out of the way. We're gonna get this thing open. What do we have inside? We got our LiPo bag full of our batteries. I'm an FR Sky user, as you can see. And I use TBS Crossfire. JBL speaker for our listening needs, our DJI goggles for our HD needs, and don't say I'm a trader. I just got on it, like I just started getting it working like a couple weeks ago. I've been using these Fat Sharks, these Attitude V5s with an emergent RC rapid fire for the longest. Like they're pretty crusty, everything's pretty cool. Let's show you guys this thing, what it looks like with nothing in it. Boop. We back again, everybody. Alright, so this is what it looks like, just naked. I didn't take the tools out and stuff because it's a pain in the neck. Let's start with all the compartments. Everything is pretty much like able to be like moved around and stuff like that. So like, let me show you guys this real quick. Like you can just take this out. And like everything's Velcro and stuff, so you could just mold it to where it's gotta be, which I really appreciate. That's really cool actually. But there's pockets on pockets on pockets. Like there's just pockets everywhere, just everywhere, pockets everywhere. Oh yeah, this thing. This is a little modular thing that iFlight sells that actually like connects. You can connect your LiPos to it. And with that saying that, you can literally plug your LiPos in and drains it down to like 13.8 volts or whatever it is, I forgot. But and you can change colors. I'll actually show you this at the end of the video because it's actually really bright in here. I can't really show you with all the lights on and stuff, so I'll come back to this at the very end. But it's super cool. It lights your whole bag just off one light bulb for so long. But we'll get back to it. Got some flaps open here. Yo. Like you can see pockets on pockets on pockets. But obviously you can just put everything. Obviously you can just get everything what you need, everything. It's so cool. Getting back to what we were saying before about this little lighting module. You stick a little LiPo in there. This one's actually just a little 850 for a Cinewhoop. Plug it in, just simple as that. Oh, there we go. and it turns on. You can't really tell, but it has modes, it flashes. Like I said at the end of the video, I'll show you what it really looks like in the dark. So let's turn that back off for now. As promised, I told you I'd show you. I don't have any, it's kind of daytime, so it's kind of hard to show you, but this is just obviously like some of the colors that it can change. Like it goes through the whole red, green, blue, orange, like purple, pink, all the colors in the spectrum. Like it's pretty dope, and like this is just one of the changing things. But for the most part, you can set it to one color or whatever. But it's awesome if you're riding a motorcycle, because it definitely helps to have some lights on the back. Like even just that little trim is perfect. Oh. Alright, to sum this video up, definitely would recommend this backpack to any FPV pilot, whether they're amateur, professional, or anything. Like this backpack is fire. Has so much to offer for literally anybody. So if you're looking for a good backpack, the iFlight backpack. This is also not sponsored, by the way. If iFlight wants to sponsor me, please, I am more than willing to take some more of your stuff. Your stuff is awesome. So with that being said, go guys, go check out new content in the future. I got a bunch of new stuff coming soon, so stay tuned.